smart lock model L600. Now we will learn how to connect this device from the mobile application.
Please look at the lock.
First, confirm admin.
Please verify the administrator. Validation. Success. 1. User. Manage. 2. System. Setup. 3. Query records. 4. Factory reset.
Option first, user manage.
1. Administrator. Setup. 2. Normal user. Setup. 3. Network. User. Setup. 4. System. User statistics.
Option 3, network setup.
1. Configuration. Network. 2. Delete. Network.
Option first, config network. Now this is a Tuya Smart. This is a mobile application for L600. Add device, sensor, sensor Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi password, confirm and proceed. Confirm the indicator is blinking.
Configuration. Network. Success. 1. Configuration. Network. 2. 1. 1. Exit menu. Please look at the lock.
Temporary password.
Please look
Must
at the lock.
7 digit. Recognizing. Please wait. Let's check.
Verifying temporary password.
Now lock is open.
Unlocked.
And I receive a notification. Gate is open. All notifications. With time.